MindMeister tutorial for beginner. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are someone who loves planning, organizing ideas, or working on a project visually, then you are going to love this tool. Because in this video, I'm giving you a complete beginner friendly tutorial on MindMeister, one of the best mind mapping tool available right now in 2025. Whether you are a student or teacher or just content creator or just someone who wants to brainstorm more effectively, this tutorial is for you. Now, if you're not familiar what is MindMeister is, so it is basically an online mind mapping tool that helps you visually capture, organize, and share ideas. Instead of writing down ideas in a list, you build visual diagrams called mind maps where each ideas connect with other like a tree. This is a super helpful for brainstorming, planning, project mapping, or even note taking. And the best part, you can collaborate with others in real time, making it great for teams and classrooms as well. Now, let's get started. First thing first, what we have to do is just simply sign up with MindMeister. If you have an already an account, you can do just click on the login. What I will do, I will just go with the sign up, click on the sign up, and it will take you to the sign up page where you can sign up with the Google and Microsoft as well. Just simply click on the sign up with Google and select your Gmail and click on the continue. Now we take your privacy seriously, click on the continue, agree, and let's continue. Now, then you have to verify your email. Now, after the verification of your account, you will have to answer some question. But first is let's get to work. How will you use MindMeister? I will use for personal or home, or you can do for team or company. It will ask you, please tell us about your industry. I will choose a random industry because I don't want to spend that much time. Click on the next and set up your team. If you want to invite your team, you can just simply add your team members over here. Now, what I will do, I will just simply now choose the department, click on the next, and it will take you to your dashboard of MindMeister dashboard. So this is the main area where you start creating and managing your mind maps. Let's look at each section in detail. In the left side, you will get to see there is a menu bar. Uh, First is team tech team section. This section shows your team and collaborators. Since it is says one team member, say you are currently it means I am the only one member. You can invite more member to work together using the invite button. As you can see, just simply click on it. Now the second option section is for home. This is your main starting page. It shows you options to create new maps instantly. For example, if you want to quickly start a brainstorming session, you can click on a blank map and create a new one. Now, the second section is this section is where you find all the mind maps that are shared with your team. It's perfect for collaborating project where multiple people need to access or edit the same map. If you go into My Maps, so this is your personal collection of mind maps. Everything you create or save appears over here. Now you need to upgrade for this. Now, for example, if you create a mind map for a business plan, it will be saved over here. Now, if you go into favorites, so favorite is basically you can mark your most important or frequently used map as a favorite, making them easy to access. So you don't need to go over and again and select. Yeah. Now this is a trash, and this is where deleted maps go. Maps can be restored if you change your mind. You can restore any map up to 30 days after the deleting it, but you need to upgrade for this feature of MindMaster. So let's create a map section area. This is where the real action happens. You can start a new mind map using various templates like you have like blank maps. Blank map, if you know, uh, this is a fresh canvas to create any mind maps you want to from scratch. But if you want to choose a template which you can later change, like if you want to import the template, you can as well. Let's go to all templates. So they have a lot of templates over here. I am going to use the template because I don't want to create mind maps using blank map. I will choose educational notes or business goals. So this is a basic templates. You can use it and you can customize as well. So I will go with the business plan. Click on the use template, and then it will create a fresh canvas for you. As you can see here, you can change the text if you want to change. You can change the text of anything. If you want to change, like if you want to change the icon, you can change it as well. Like if you want to change the color of the icon, you can change it from here just by clicking over here. For example, this one or this one. As you can see here, the color has been changed. Now this is a basic overview of this editor. So let's understand what is this in the right sides. So this is a kind of, you can add notes or anything. This button is used to add new notes or to your mind maps. Notes are the main building blocks of your mind map. For example, let's say if I want to create a child of this company description or create new word. So what I will do, I will just simply click on a plus, type something, let it be over here, and let's connect this. Uh, let's delete this one. Okay, click on the three, click on the delete. So you can connect or you can create new nodes to company description. Like if you have two description, you can create two and you can connect with that. Now that's the basic thing. Now if you want to create the child of this description or market analysis, just click on the tab. It will create a child just like a new node, or you can click on this one. So it will create a child as well. Now let's say uh, if you want to create a sibling of this marketing analysis, you can create by just hit enter, and it will create a sibling of this node. Now you can choose theme from here. All right, now the theme is, like for example, if you don't like this presentation from here, you can choose it like this. You can choose whatever you like. I feel this is great. Now if you want to present this mind mapping, what you can do is just simply in the right side, there is an option of present. Just simply click on it, and from here you can present. Just look at the animation, and this is the presentation of your mind map. So it will help you a lot. Let's go back, and now this is our which we have created. This is our project. All written maps is will show over here. Now let's say if you want to search some specific map, you can search by just uh, entering their name. Now let's say if you want to create a team map, go into team maps and click on the create. It will ask you to blank map or explore templates. I will go with the explore templates and go with this product launch map. I will use this one. So yeah, this looks good. Let's say if you want to invite someone, just simply click on the share, add team member or group over here. You simply add their email, or you can viewer or copy link. You can just copy link and paste it over there, and he will get the access. Now you can add their email as well to invite them, and you can work together with collaboration. Now that's it for this MindMeister. If you talk about the pricing about mind mapping, so they have it is like a free three mind maps you can create in the free account. But you want unlimited mind maps, you can get $4 personal plan. Now they have other plan as well, like pro and business as well, but you can check it out by comparing each plan with each other. Now, let's say you will get a lot of option in the if you buy the premium version. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this informative video, and if you like this video, then subscribe it, and thanks for watching.